I should be over all the butterflies I've been to you. And baby, even all the worst nights.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yeah.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today's video is going to be about this unit that I have on right now. It is from My Hair Official company. I have never worked with this company before, so this is the first time for that. Oh, and I quickly wanted to mention, I am so sorry that my lighting is going to be going in and out in this video. Nothing I can do, okay? The sun has a mind of its own, so I'm going to try my best to do whatever editing I can do, but just know I apologize that the lighting is gonna do what it's gonna do. Okay, they sent me their curly texture. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is not one of the ready to wear and go wigs, and y'all know I've been spoiled with those wigs, so this is one that I literally had to sit and install, which you guys are gonna see. So really quickly, the details. Like I said, it's a curly 13x4 lace frontal wig. You guys are going to see the construction of this wig. It has a large parting space in this wig because, like I said, it's 13x4, so you can part it any way you want. Side part, middle part, zigzag, whatever you want, you can do with this parting space. I did have to pluck it a little bit. It did come plucked to a certain extent, but not enough for me, and I could actually pluck more, but like I said, I've been spoiled with these ready to wear and go wigs, so I did the bare minimum. Okay, I did use my contour powder on the lace just to blend it into my skin tone, and then you have to cut the lace, as you guys are going to see, and everything else is self-explanatory. The products that I use to lay this down is Bold Hold, the liquid gold, just because it's very easy. I didn't want to use the Bold Hold glue just because I don't know how long I'm going to leave this wig on, and this is just very convenient, and the hold is just like the glue. I swear to y'all, this hold is so strong. So yeah, that's what I used. So now when it comes to these curls, the hair, the density of this wig, super thick. This has to be either 180 to 200. I don't believe it's a 250. I'm gonna check with the company, and I'm gonna leave it down in the description box, so make sure you check there if you're wondering about the density of this wig. But when it comes to defining the curls, it's totally your preference if you want to do that or not. I like a little frizz, okay? Ain't nothing wrong with a little frizz in your hair, but if you are wanting to define it, I define some parts of this wig, as you guys are going to see later in the video, but I use my Camille Rose Spike Honey Mousse, and then if you need a little bit more water, just a tad bit, you can use this Rosemary water, which is from Camille Rose too. I love these two products, you guys. I use it in my wigs, and I use it in my natural hair. I use it in my daughter's hair. I love it, and I know there's a lot of drama going on with this brand, but my hair is not falling in, okay? Nor is my daughter's. Okay, so that's really about all I have to say. If you have tried this wig, like I say in every video, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
for all the butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even all the worst nights